Hey guys, well, I decided, since I was like really bored, that I might as well go on webcam. And yeah, I'll be on a lot today. So if you want to talk to me, you may go ahead. And WB100 alphabet in my description, and if you want to add me to my friends list, I don't have it very full, but also deluxe. That would be cool because I am too. Oh yeah, I've got to maximize this, otherwise I can't reach everything. There. I'm gonna, because see, I can't reach that bottom stuff. But let's go to Blacky. Come on, Webkin. Don't be so slow. Okay, good. Let's go to Blacky. Yeah. No Blacky. That's not Blacky either. That's not Blacky. That's Blacky. Hurry up, Blacky. Okay, I switched to Blacky. Really can scare. Let me turn the sound up. Wow. Today's activities. It's a Hallmark exclusive, isn't it? Yep, Hallmark exclusive. Exclusive preview release at the Hallmark location. I have a Hallmark in town, so I might get the Weimaraner or the Weimaraner letter. There's a charcoal eagle, a tally-ho hoagie, and a Weimaraner TikTok. Obviously. I don't have a pug. I don't want any of that, so and the Strawberry Cow Leopard is a Justice exclusive. Like the opossum or the possum is a Cracker Barrel exclusive. There's all kinds of exclusives. Here, I'll play tile towers. No, don't move, camera. Okay. This must be really boring. Not that I made it be intentionally boring. Look, I can speed up this part in the video. Yeah, GF with the TF. Yeah. I can speed this up and I can tell you what high score I got at the end of this. Or if I did get a high score. If I didn't, I don't have to speed it up. But I don't know, that just took forever. Wait.